Hey Siri, take me to RKA.
Getting directions to RKA luggage. Starting route to RKA luggage. Head southwest on Autoboni Drive.
Hey Senna, volume down.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Cloverdale Boulevard. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Okay, arriving at RKA. And we usually park the bike out in front, but I'm going to point it right into the door because we're going to take it inside and set it up for a little video today. We're going to attach the pad to the seat, and the pad will fit on a small seat, a medium-sized seat, a big seat, just about any seat. So let's get started. So this is the pad that's going to go on the seat. So what we're going to do is open up this plentiful webbing, and we're going to set it on the seat, center it the best that we can. Turn it upside down. Get the front one stabilized pretty good, about where you want it, and snug it down. And then we're going to flip it back over and see how we're doing. So it looks pretty centered. So we'll go back and flip it over again. Go through the keeper. We're going to snug this puppy down. And I can see from looking at it on the bottom that those keepers are pretty much centered. So there's the pad. Nothing touches the bodywork, nothing scratches your motorcycle. Okay. Now we're going to introduce the 21-liter seat bag. And this bag is a smaller version of the rack bag. And now we're going to use these keepers here and hook and loop them closed. And hook and loop them closed. And then in the front, we have the keepers here. And there you go. It's totally securely on the bike now. It's not going anywhere.